Forget everything you know about traditional naval warfare. The era of human-driven fleets is officially coming to an end. Right now, under complete secrecy, autonomous robotic drones are quietly taking over the world's oceans. At NATO's massive 2025 REPMUS exercise, Allied forces just unleashed a fleet of uncrewed tech that changes global defense forever, and one specific drone is turning into an absolute nightmare for underwater enemies. Here is how it works. The Dutch Navy is actively deploying an advanced autonomous underwater ghost built by Lobster Robotics. As co-founder Bas van Vliet revealed, this drone builds high-resolution 3D maps of critical global internet cables and pipelines to catch shadow sabotage. But its primary target? Finding hidden lethal mines before they strike and destroy Allied warships. But controlling the deep ocean is useless if you don't control the skies. Enter Kelluu, a Finnish tech pioneer that just launched an uncrewed airship capable of staying airborne for 12 hours straight, packed with advanced sensors no enemy can hide. According to Diana Digital advisor Emma Rose Barton, this framework ensures its allies maintain absolute tactical edge. Will AI-driven fleets keep the world safe, or have we opened a dangerous Pandora's box? Drop your thoughts below, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next